Welcome to the Auto Experience, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and reviews on everything automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone looking for their next vehicle, we bring you detailed insights, specs, and all the information you need to make informed decisions. In today's video, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser, a compact SUV that is quickly making waves in the automotive world. If you're considering upgrading your ride or simply curious about what's new in the world of urban crossovers, this review is just for you. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser is designed to offer an excellent combination of practicality, performance, and style. It brings a fresh appeal to the small SUV market with a focus on versatility and urban usability. The Urban Cruiser is a direct response to the increasing demand for compact, efficient, and affordable vehicles that perform well in both city and highway conditions. Toyota's legacy of building reliable cars continues in the Urban Cruiser, which is built to last and offers a range of features that cater to modern drivers. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser comes equipped with a choice of powertrains, which include both petrol and hybrid options. The base petrol engine offers a 1.5-liter, four-cylinder unit that produces around 105 horsepower, which is ample for daily driving, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down highways. The hybrid version pairs this engine with an electric motor, providing better fuel efficiency and a quieter, smoother driving experience. The hybrid powertrain ensures that the Urban Cruiser stands out in terms of fuel economy, making it a great option for urban dwellers who need to minimize their fuel expenses while contributing to a more sustainable future. In terms of design, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser boasts a sleek and modern look. The exterior design is bold yet compact, making it perfect for tight city spaces without compromising on-road presence. The front fascia features a large grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving the SUV a contemporary and aggressive look. The body lines are well defined, and the car's compact size makes it maneuverable in urban environments, which is a big plus for drivers who frequently face traffic and parking challenges. The Urban Cruiser's exterior is also designed to be aerodynamic, helping it maintain fuel efficiency and reduce road noise, providing a more comfortable ride. Inside, the Urban Cruiser offers a comfortable and spacious cabin for its class. While it is a compact SUV, Toyota has ensured that passengers in both the front and rear seats have ample space to stretch out. The cabin is well designed with high-quality materials, giving it a premium feel that rivals many more expensive vehicles. The dashboard layout is clean and user-friendly, with an intuitive infotainment system that includes a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. This tech integration makes it easy to stay connected while on the go. The Urban Cruiser also offers a decent amount of cargo space, which adds to its versatility as a practical family vehicle. Safety features are another highlight of the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser. Toyota has equipped the vehicle with a comprehensive suite of safety technologies as part of its Toyota Safety Sense package. This includes pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams, all of which help to enhance driver confidence and keep you safe on the road. The Urban Cruiser has been designed with crash protection in mind, offering solid structural integrity, which helps it score well in crash tests. These safety features come as standard, ensuring peace of mind for all drivers and passengers. One of the standout features of the Urban Cruiser is its exceptional value for money. Despite being a compact SUV, it offers a high level of standard equipment, including modern tech, safety features, and comfort. The ride quality is smooth and refined, making it ideal for city commutes and longer journeys. It is also priced competitively, offering a strong value proposition compared to other small SUVs in its segment. With a variety of trims and options, Toyota ensures that buyers can tailor the vehicle to their specific needs, whether they're looking for a more budget-friendly model or a higher-spec version with additional features. In terms of driving dynamics, The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser offers a composed ride. The suspension is well tuned to absorb bumps and rough patches on the road, providing a comfortable experience for all occupants. Handling is responsive, and the vehicle feels stable and secure, even when cornering. The steering is light but precise, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or enjoying a weekend getaway on the highway, the Urban Cruiser provides a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. To sum up, the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact, efficient, and stylish SUV that doesn't break the bank. It offers a good balance of practicality, performance, and modern features, making it a great option for city dwellers and small families. The combination of its impressive fuel economy, advanced safety features, and well-rounded driving dynamics sets it apart from competitors in its class. If you're looking for a small SUV that delivers on all fronts, the Toyota Urban Cruiser deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more detailed reviews, specs, and automotive insights from the Auto Experience.